How to install WordPress using WAMP. Download Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4 from the link given in the description. If your CPU and OS is 64-bit, then select the x64 setup and click on the Next button. The setup is downloading. Run the setup. If you have already installed, then you will see this pop up. Otherwise, install this setup. Go to sourceforge.net and search WAMP server. Click on the download button. After downloading, run a WAMP setup file. Accept the agreement, choose your file location and select the PHP and MariaDB versions. Click on the Install button. Your WAMP server is installing. Internet Explorer will be used as a default browser for WAMP. The notepad will be used as a default text editor for WAMP server. Finish your installation process. Search and open WAMP server. You can open System Tray and verify the services are running or not. Open your browser and visit the Localhost. You will see the default page of WAMP server. Open the WAMP installation location. Open www folder. Create a new folder. Visit wordpress.org. Click on the Get WordPress and download the file. Copy the file into your newly created folder in www. Cut all these extracted files, paste in the main folder. Delete zip file and empty WordPress folder. Open your browser and enter the name of your folder after Localhost. Select the language. Enter the default username, which is root with no password. click on the New and create a database. Enter the name of your database with default username and password. Run the installation. Now, enter the title of your website. Create a new user for WordPress login. Enter any email and run the WordPress installation. Now, enter your WordPress login details. WordPress dashboard is opened after successful WordPress installation.